Hello guys, this is my first video as wannabe YouTuber. What I have in here is a demo video trying to do this thing. I have a Bluetooth speaker of mine that's no longer charging. The port is pretty messed up, but even the port is okay, it's not charging. So I ordered some micro USB ports, but that did not arrive yet. So what I was planning to charge the battery so that I can enjoy my Bluetooth speaker. So what we have in here is HMDX Bluetooth speaker. It was pretty favorable in the past, but now the other new brands and better ones comes out. They are non-existent any longer. So let's try to find what we can do with it. So I need to open it first. I already opened the other screws, and my wife told me, why are you not recording that while you are wanting so much to do this YouTube thing? So I said, you know what, you're right. So I started recording. So what we have in here is just a small battery and a board with that Bluetooth function and all the rest. So what we need to do is let's check the voltage of the battery first to see what we have, but as I know it should be empty because I used it until it died. 345, that means it's pretty low. It should be around 4.5 or something. So as current status, I can't change the USB port, micro USB port, since it did not arrive yet. So what I can do is a way to charge this battery without using micro USB port. How we can do that? First I need to know what this battery is, the nominal voltage and etc. So what I can do is to pry open this battery. So let's see. Oh Jesus, I am really intense anytime a sharp object come close to a lithium battery. Okay, let's see. Okay, what it says. Jesus Christ, there is nothing on it. I'm sure it is noted 3048 hours of amperage, So I can't do much with it, but I can search that and be back with you. Yes, we are back. So what I found about this battery is 3.7 volt battery. What we need to do to find a way to externally charge this without using the micro USB. What I'm gonna do with it to connect two cables to the battery to exit from the side, and I'm gonna use this power, the charging modules that used simple lithium battery chargers. They are, I checked the datasheet, they are compatible. So let's see what we can do with this. Straightforward, failed miserably against the fan. So this will be a short video, hopefully, if I can successful. I will try to micro USB port change. This was one of my earlier failure with the Bluetooth speaker, and we'll see if I can successful on this attempt. I tried to fix this, which is whatever I did was just opened it and removed the battery, and I just wanted to try if I could add another charging port like this one while battery is connected to ditch micro USB on this board, which I completely failed to set up. That this didn't work, the battery didn't work, and I was swearing against everything that I know. And now, since I have the micro USB port now, because when I tried to record this I didn't have the port, because of that I tried to did that botch job. Now I have the port, and let's see if I can change this micro USB port without hot air gun, because I don't have a hot air station, and I will try to do this with flux, soldering iron and the soldering wick. And since this is pretty bulky, let's try to change this, but I need to mark it first. Where is my pen? Oh yeah, yeah. So this side is plus, this side is minus, and let's put green in there. Let's see if I can do this time. Okay, that's out. Okay, let's put the board to a side, let's put the speaker to another side, and I need hands, more hands. Yes. I don't know if this would work or not, but we'll see. You will witness with me. Okay. Do I need this thingy? I don't know. Let me try to see. Nah. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. I need to cut this first. Come on. Yes. Let's put it aside. Now, let's see what I will need is low melting solder to put everywhere in there. I hope I can be successful in today's attempt, or else I'm really psychologically feeling bad in a way that questioning the meaning of the life, really. But first I need to put some flux in there. If it comes out let's see now. Let me clean the tip of my solder first. And let's see if we can remove this port. Oh, that was easy. Now we need to clean it first. Yeah. More flux needed. Let's see if we can clean it now. Okay, go there. Okay. If we can suck up all of the solder. Okay, that looks pretty good, actually. Surprisingly. Yeah, it does look good. Oh. That doesn't look good because looks like two line touching each other. Let's put more flux and try to wick it. Why? Okay. Maybe that is... oh yeah. So we did that. So this will be the next port for 5. Oh Jesus. Is it not the right one? Let me see the port that I removed. Oh no, that was 5-pin too. So okay, I will need to see with the microscope. Is this... I'm sorry guys, I don't have a proper microscope yet with something that I can record for you. I have this stupid shit and I'm sorry I can't record it with you. I need to see it from the computer. Okay. Let me clean that first. And see if there was another line. Nope, there was no another line in there, so it's good. Against my scare, I thought the 2-line bridged itself, but there was no another line. So whatever I need to do, I need to put this there and hope for the best. Let's see if I can do this. This will be my first port job. And see if I can nail this. Oh no. Oh, I am pretty nervous. Oh. Oh, how I'm gonna do that? Without a it is really hard without a microscope. I will try to use that cheap shit if I can do it. I don't know. I don't know if it will work or not. Okay. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Yes. Okay. I know you don't see it. Let me try to record. Okay. Let's see. Is it that one? No. I need to move it to the other side. Yes. No. Too much. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay, move up a little. Okay. Jesus Christ. It is really hard. Okay, if I can hold it without moving. Okay. Okay. I guess I did it without moving. And now I can do it. Maybe. Jesus, this is too hard. Okay, let's do the anchor points. Okay, we did the anchor points. And I can't see it properly. I'm trying to record the microscope video from the computer. No. But it's bridging. Jesus Christ, why it is bridging? Trying to put more flux. Oh Jesus, this is a really long bit. Why are you bridging? Okay, maybe it is not bridged anymore. Let me see, try. Yes, it is not bridged. Yes. Yes. So, now... Yes, that is good. I soldered my first port. Now I need to put everything together. So Now I need to turn it to the other side. Okay. I need to solder. Oh. I need to change the way of the clips are working. Okay. Alligator clips. Okay. Okay. This looks like the one for the plus. And let's try to solder that. I don't know if I can do it or not, but we'll try. Okay, not enough solder. Okay, one is done. Okay, other is soldered too. Now only one thing left was battery. Is battery. Now we need to put it upside down. Okay. But we'll see. Now, okay. I need to fix this battery first. Because I did not prepare for it. Jesus. Where can I find some cables? Oh, I can use the previous failed fan bullshit. Yeah, I can use those cables. I am still sour about this fan bullshit, but what you can do sometimes. Okay, what to fix first? I don't know. Let's try to fix the battery first. So what I'm gonna do, I need to put this to a side and take this away for a moment and try to fix this battery first. Okay, so I hate cables, I hate them. Let's remove this. Let's put some flux in there. Yes. Why this is not staying up? Okay. Okay. Looks like that is more clean now. So let's turn this to put positive and negative cables on it. Okay, positive is there. Let's see the negative. Okay, negative is there too. So our battery is ready. Let's put that to a side and remove the battery from here. Bring it back the board. Okay. So I need the microscope, shitty microscope, to see what I'm soldering on. I can't see what I'm looking at it. Okay, let me start recording on the microscope side so you can see it also. Okay. Yeah, it is too bright. Okay. So what I'm looking at it, I don't know. Okay, that is the corner of the additional board. I don't know, it says out plus. No, it should be the ground in here and this should be the plus, if I remember correctly, because God knows. So let's put some solder on it, on that ground. I didn't know what I would need to do. Okay, let's see. I will need some flux. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Yes, and that's there too. Okay, ground should be minus. But I guess I will need to cut that lead a little because it looks too big. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, that should be one and this should be the second. Oh, I need to cut the positive too. It's too long. But I shouldn't cut too short also. Let's see. Okay, we connected that. One thing, I don't know if those are the correct points. So, if I check the buttons... Oh, ah yeah. There is no button. I need to open it. Oh! Looks like... yeah! I connected to the right place. So I closed it. That. It looks like I fixed it. Ah! We don't know yet if I fixed it or not until... let me close the microscope. Yes. We don't know until testing the micro USB port, which it was the main reason of this project. Oh, let's see. Let me take a cable to test it. I don't have big hopes because I didn't prove myself yet. So let's... yes. So if I was successful, there should be red light. No red light. Oh, red light! Yes, it's charging! It's charging! I fixed it. First micro USB, or first port of my life. Oh, I'm so happy. I am so happy. This saved my day of tonight. Now I can put everything back together and feel good about myself. Do I remember how to put this together? It's been for so long that I opened this. So this should be something like this. It should be there, but let's put some tape on it. Yeah. Let's put some tape on it. I am so happy. I am so happy. After then failing with that fan, I am really happy. If I could peel this. Jesus. Why like this? First I need to peel the other side. Yes, I peeled that side. Now okay, let's remove non-necessary parts. really needed this fix to work. I really needed this, honestly. So that will go there. If that goes there, this should go here, and this should go here. But where is the screw holes? Okay, those are screwing them to there. Okay. Okay. This should be like this, most likely. Oh. Or this should be screwed down on this side. Yeah. This should be screwed down on this side. This was almost about to my first fix until I failed. Now I fixed it. I'm sorry we lost the previous videos. Really sorry. But this is a really happy moment for me. Really happy moment for me. And where is my screwdriver? Jesus. If I can't see something in front of my eyes... Oh, yes, I can't see it in front of my eyes. Yes. I am so happy. I can't tell. Yes. So now this needs to go like this. Somehow. Oh no, why? Oh, because screws are there. Because I didn't bother to remove the screws. Let's see. Yes, looks like we fixed this, and let's see if it works. Looks like it's on. Looks like connected. Woo. Yes, that is working. That is absolutely beautiful. So let's close this and try to charge it again to see if it did the trick. Yes, if you can see, there is the charging light. I am so happy. Thank you guys, this video saved my today, for sure. See you on the next one.